People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless all and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, all of my kings and queen, all of my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. I don't know right away, so I have a video for showing with a goat thief. Yo, man, them thief in the start. Already them thief for the budget go out of my farm, and the man say, yo, fret every day when him left out, you know, because I say, boy, you know, nothing my thief in goat, you know. And then the thief him goat. But here, what? You see, after the break, you don't know, big up on yourself. You have forward back, I'm going to see what go on.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and it's the dog gone away.
If I could work magic, crime would have vanished. Etana Francis that left me astonished. Me nah stop preach till me message reach all over the 14 parish. From downtown right back to Spanish, the gun trafficking and killing to get a polish. I wish I could get rid of it like how the acetone get rid of the nail polish.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, yeah man, I sang the man. I don't know, you see me? Crime agent. Seeing powerful song, powerful message. You know what I mean? Right now, Jamaica need to hear the song there. By Rasa America, you know what I mean? Produced by DJ Baba Music. Yes, my people. Yes, what I say? So now them goat thief, yeah. The man them go Stony Hill. Seeing? Watch where I go on, watch where I go on.
Exactly 13 days after 3 goat thieves stole 4 goats in a daytime operation in Stony Hill, 2 of them are now behind bars. Thanks to this video, which captured their criminal behavior, making them the most celebrated goat thieves in Jamaica. In custody are goat thief number 1, Fat Man, Tampi, whose given name is Shalom D'Souza, 41-year-old father of 8, originally from Tivoli Gardens, shopkeeper of Florence Hill, Toms River in Upper West Rural, St. Andrew. Goat thief number 3, the driver, is Gavin Williams, Sambo, 26-year-old father of 2 of the same Florence Hill, Toms River address. Still on the run, goat thief number 2, Tall Man, known as Boy or Grong, of a King Western area of Upper Western St. Andrew. The Stony Hill cops would like him to rope in, just as he roped in the goats on May 20. First to be held was goat thief number 1, Fat Man. This after the St. Andrew North Police led an operation in the Florence Hill area where D'Souza was apprehended. Wearing the same shirt as he did on the day of his tactical move to take what was not his, the shirt says it all. Or does it? I am not antisocial, I'm anti-stupid. And for his anti-stupid behavior, in addition to predial larceny, he is likely to have to also answer to charges relating to possession of, dealing in ganja, unaccustomed goods, and breaches of the Trademark Act, evidenced by the J. Ray and Nephew seals. And still in the spiritual realm, letters designed to destroy one of his relationships by another female, with the supporting oils and candle in the mix as well. Goat thief number 3, along with his mother, found his way to the Constant Spring police station. 26-year-old Gavin Williams, Sambo, is the father of 2 from the same Florence Hill district. The Toyota Belta motor car he drove was rented by a female, Yendi Edwards, student of the same district, from a man only known as Junior of a Passage Fort Portmore St. Catherine address. Upon seeing the video 48 hours after it was released, she reportedly turned in the car. She failed to report the matter to the police. She was questioned by the investigators. Legal action now follows in terms of the specific breaches of the law goat thieves 1 and 3 will be charged with. In the case of Fat Man, he said when he saw himself on the video, there was no point in running.
Yes, so I'm not going to get trouble.
And what of his other accomplice? Goat thief number 2, Boy? Will he heed the call to turn himself in, or will he, like the Fat Man, have to be brought in? And as you suspect, the goats are long gone, but the long electronic arms of the law remain. Michael Sharp, Frontline News.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers. You saw the man, them thief. Them 3 men go up on the works in a Stony Hill, you know. Thief people, them goat, you know. See, I know goat expensive, you know, worse if a ram goat, you know, if a rammy, You can get a 30-40 grand for a rammy, depends on the size. 52, that me I tell you. Yeah man, so the man them go thief people them goat. You know what I mean? And stuff them in a car. You saw what Bumby does. My viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. And you see what I go on? The man them rape up the goat them and throw them in the car and go sell them. The goat them were not recovered. But the man them got 2 of the 3 men got apprehended. Biggs, Zine, Biggs him now go up and works and the same shot where him go up and works in I hit him get catching 13 days after. I say them stupid. I'm not antisocial, but I'm anti-stupid. That him shirt say. I'm really stupid. See, so goat thief for 3, goat thief for 1 get catch. The driver. Goat thief for 2 on the run. But remember I said no, the girl who rent the car, see she after that one she report the car, but she never report the matter. Now them have her on an investigation. When you think she knows something about it, when you think she know to, can't trust them, you know. I feel like she knows something about it, but she try to report it for alibi, you know. Yeah. Cause all you rent car and then somebody else take the car and go up and works. You get me? But what? Luckily, credit, you see me, to the CCTV camera and the residents them who have them camera up, the camera clean. You see me? And right now you see say boy, I saw Jamaica for run right now. Be a CCTV. I feel the Prime Minister them for bringing a CCTV all over and see if crime rate no reduce. And turn up them fingerprint technology, them surveillance. And watch and see if crime rate no reduce. But what? Me no feel the government them go and do that yet because what? Without crime them can't make money, enough of them instigate crime and organize crime. You get me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, and that made one share with them. Still them goat thief there. My people, my farmers, be careful on no goat and no pig. Hey, me say 2018 me there Jamaica, you know. And a brother have wally for pig and goat. See, now on the farm, Deliquy and I say, yo, the man them over my side, the pain land. Thief the man them goat and pig. Worse when Christmas did come. Pig get take away, sell. Pig a roast. More time when the scheme and smell roast. I say somebody a jerk pork. Man them go lick down a pork and a pig and go kill that when them want to cook. But one day, seeing beer, pig a squeak. Blah wow. Like somebody go inform and police come. And find and get a leeway and where the pig them there. And the man, the owner for the pig them. Yo, so the man go in at the house and the police them bring them to the house. I say about 12 to 13 pig, you know, I'm not telling the line, about 12 to 13 pig and few goat in the house, you know. And I tell you, say, you know, the truck they never come and get them pig there, the man them beard with money. But when somebody go inform and the police them running from the house, I tell you about the house, and like the house with their Tivoli, you know, and peel and the same set of house them, you see me? Yo, I tell you, say Jamaica, but they were the greatest. You know, run for thief goat and pig man and cow man and but the owners them of the animals them, be careful, keep a lookout, get your surveillance cameras. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, big up yourself. We'll be sorry for them goat thief there. Ah boy. My viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But we hear what you think about that. The goat thief them. What do you have to say about the goat thief them? I don't know. I'm out.
A real scholar representing for Lion Foot TV. That's my CV. Yo, tell them don't pray away.